Have you ever wondered how websites are made? Well, it all starts with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is referring to hyperlinks, which you use to send someone to another website or to navigate through the current one. Markup language is referring to the tags used to structure the web page. Let's have a look at the three different layers in a standard web page: the structure, the style, and the behavior. JavaScript is typically behind the behavior of a website, controlling user inputs, buttons, animations, basically bringing the website to life. CSS, or cascading style sheets, adds style to websites, essentially turning it from a dull Word document to a sleek website, responsible for color, moving items, animations, responsiveness, and much more. This brings us to the structure. As I mentioned earlier, HTML uses tags to structure the web page. Luckily for everyone learning to use them, they are written like plain English. H1 stands for heading 1, the P tag means paragraph, the IMG or image tag is for image. You can also add attributes to add more information to the tag. For example, our A tag here, stands for anchor, has a href attribute that holds the name of the website we want to send the user to when they click this link here. And in between the anchor tags, we've written YouTube channel, and that's the part that's going to be the link. And that sends us straight to the Code Cove. Each tag has three sections: the opening tag, which is this part here, and then the content, which is everything we put inside. So we've written what is HTML, and then the closing tag. The closing tag is the same as the opening tag, but there is a / before the name of the element. When you start writing HTML, each website has these three sections: the HTML element, which is the root element that defines the whole document, and then the head element, which holds the meta tags, the title, the link to the style sheet. You don't really need to know any of this stuff right now, but all you need to know is that none of this stuff is visible on the web page. And then that brings us to the second child, the body tag. This holds everything that is visible. So you can see here what is HTML. We've got a button here, H2 element, which is the second heading. All of this stuff is visible on the web page. An example of some of the stuff in use on the web page: we've got our different headings here. These are written in plain English. So we've got heading 1 and then heading 2 here. And then basically what happens here, as the number gets bigger, they gradually get smaller. And all we've done on the tag is just change the number. They only got up to 1 to 6 though. We got a table element here, and we all recognize this as a table. We got John, is the name, the age, 25, country, USA. As you can see here, we've got these different tags holding this information. HTML is all about structuring the web page, and that's exactly what these tags do. In a nutshell, that's HTML. If you want to learn more about HTML or JavaScript, check out the video on screen now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It really helps out my small channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!